Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are seeing a WhatsApp out of date message on your Android phone, don't worry, it's a common issue. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to chatting in on time. Solution 1. Set correct date and time. Go to Settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Tap on Date and Time. Enable Set Automatically and set time zone automatically. Reopen WhatsApp. Wrong date can make apps think they are expired. Solution 2. Update WhatsApp from the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Here search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, open WhatsApp and the problem should be gone. Solution 3. Clear Play Store cache. Sometimes the Play Store itself acts up and wouldn't show updates properly. Let's its clear cache. Open Settings app. Scroll down and tap on App Management. Tap on App List at the top. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and clear data and confirm. Reopen the Play Store and search for WhatsApp again. Solution 4. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can reload the system and solve the issue. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Tap Restart. After restarting your phone, open the WhatsApp app and check that your problem is resolved or not. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix your WhatsApp out of date problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.